Okay, so here we comes with a problem in bipolar shaft. Whenever we are switching it on, it is getting on, the shaft switch is coming and the readings is coming, but when I try to cut from the shaft option, it is not cutting nor coagulating. So when I change the option to force, it is not, and seal coming, and after force coming, okay, and after soft it is coming. So the problem is I didn't see this problem before, but let me tell you again. The problem is now the soft is working, right? So I'm switching it off and switching it on. Now the option is in soft mode, default, and nothing. So I put force, nothing, and cut, nothing. So seal coming, okay. So then I put soft, right, it came first, now I don't know, yeah, then I put soft, now it's coming, cut is also coming, and now force coming, and it's coming. So what can be the issue? I don't think there's a problem with the hardware. Hardware seems good, because sometimes even if some hardware functions are not working, this entire section will not work. So we don't need to think far. So it is just a small issue, but we have to know where it is. So I'm checking with the program.